A very warm Red Fox welcome to this video to tell you about the launch of our new signature grammar course. Many English learners struggle with grammar, both when speaking and writing. Let's face it, studying grammar is not the most exciting topic. For English, learning the vocabulary is more interesting and it's easier. But of course, correct grammar is essential if you want to be a competent English user. We've designed this course as a comprehensive step-by-step guide to the basics of English grammar. It contains all of the elements necessary to reach the A1 standard or level set out in the CEFR guidelines. And that stands for Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. It's a kind of benchmark for defined standards of language learning. And all places of education, schools, colleges, universities, and many employers, especially multinationals, will be aware of these standards. Now, I did say all elements of grammar needed, so that means a very full list. So just let me give you a taster of what's included. Basic verb tenses. Now, you've heard of subject-verb agreement, for example, and we cover that, but also which tenses do we need to talk about past interests that we no longer do? What about permanent situations or talking about plans that we have for the future? All of this is included. We also cover some very tricky subjects like prepositions. These are always really difficult for new or even seasoned language learners. When do we use at, on, or in? What's the difference between over and above? Modal verbs, another difficult area. For example, when you're making a request, when should you say can and when should you say could? We also cover gerunds and infinitives, determiners and quantifiers, conjunctions, adjectives and adverbs, and much more. The study materials that we provide with this course are extensive. They really need to be for this course. So here's what you get. 83 video lessons. These are short, concise, easy to follow instructions for all of the points that are covered, including plenty of examples to illustrate each point clearly. 74 practice worksheets to help you learn. 62 progress tests so you can see how you're doing. And you also get PDFs of everything, of course. Then we have 13 assessments, one for each chapter of the course. Each chapter covers a particular area like present simple or pronouns. And finally, a comprehensive end of course assessment, and that leads to your certificate. The A1 level is the beginner level in the CEFR guidelines. So by the end of the course, you will be an advanced beginner and ready to move to pre-intermediate level. This course is suitable for almost all second language students, particularly beginners, of course, but also those who are returning to study after a period of absence and want to relearn basic English grammar. But it will also be of great benefit to school and university students from about age 7 or 8, especially if your native language is non-European. Many non-European English users, even those that are well above beginner level, make errors with verb tenses, articles, and in particular, gerunds and infinitives and prepositions. As mentioned earlier, the course follows the CEFR guidelines, an internationally recognized language standard, and therefore can be useful when applying for jobs at international companies, because you can produce a certificate of completion of this course. Okay, that's enough about the course. Time for you to register for it. It's available on our mobile app or via our website, so register today, and I look forward to seeing you again inside the course.